open it, they will tell me that it's now that they heard it. I would ask the girls, they will tell me that it's now that they heard it. Only for me to go to Port Harcourt. I went to visit my friend for her son's birthday, and I came back. When I was going to visit my friend, I told my mom to come and stay here because I wasn't comfortable leaving her with the.
Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Yes, I bring our sister Dasylvia. Yes, come my channel. She do video about help. Yes, so my people, Dasylvia do video about help, how she traveled to Port Harcourt for her friend birthday, her friend's son birthday. Who be this her son birthday? Who be that person? The one when me they think, I don't know whether now you they think oh. Now Dyna she they call her friend because she said she want to talk to us with the mother wetin really happen about her child when has help almost by her child, her two daughter has help almost by her two daughter. Let's listen to her, then we'll trick our own insight.
Okay, she was family. So I ignored the signs because I believe that she was never going to hurt the kids. I always believed in my heart that this person would not have the mind to hurt the kids because she knows that she can't run. Should anything happen, I would always find you. You have nowhere to go to. I always had that at the back of my head. I did not think about the signs till.
My people, let's address that part when she say the sign and she neglect the sign, and this person na family person something as she talk. Why you go neglect where you dey see some sign for your children? Yes, na real lesson we learn with other people lesson. Like me, if I dey house, maybe the father go pick his children for school, I go dey here, maybe I dey film for here, maybe my son just come or my daughter instanta I dey observe say you cry, wetin happen? Cry when my pikin go cry, maybe when they dey school, my children go go school, I'll drop my children 8:35 na dem take dey open their door. I'll drop them either 8:35 or 8:40 till 6 o'clock, 6:30 they will reach house. Maybe they cry maybe before my son go sleep because they get sleep for school. No, KJ say they get sleep, but my daughter primary they don't they get sleep. Whether they cry for that morning before they come house in the evening 6:30, me their mother I go discover. I go ask her, you cry? If she or he not cry, because I get two children, daughter and son. If she or he not cry, I go still know. Once he just come house, maybe I dey here when he and their father come back from school, I go just look myself, say, you cry, what happened? He go start to explain. Mommy so person push me. Mommy so person do me this. I'll say, do you report to your mistress? He go say no. I say, why can't you report to your mistress? You're supposed to explain to your mistress. You're supposed to report to your mistress. You understand? Instanta, anything you dey sense, anything you dey observe for your children, who dey there to tackle am? Now you be the mother and the father. Now two of them go tackle the issue. Now my daughter, when e don still big, once she come back for school, I see observe say maybe she cry dey her face, I must ask her, guy, wetin happen? Mommy, I fall down. Mommy, this one happen. You must observe. You must. If my children still come back for school, my own way, I will carry them, go bath them. If na me go bath, if I go bath them, I'll carry them, go bath them. Bathing them, I go dey ask the question, what happened to your school today? Maybe the day why no be me just do the thing. Maybe after evening, or we dey eat evening food, or maybe we dey do one thing. What happened in your school today? What happened? I'll start asking the question. No matter how we dey busy, we must still create time. Look your children. Come back for school e fall, you dey baff am. You must discover. Talk of your children, just pass through those things. You go as chief who dey talk according to her, make una go her chair, make una go wash am. According to her, she say she go dey inside car, she go dey horn. He say dey take them long before they go open the gate. Okay, when they go open the gate, she go see and say they use water take wash her daughter face, abi they just wash face. Every time when thank God say you see the red flag, but you neglect her, you ignore am. You understand? Me now, apart from my mothers, maybe my mother-in-law, my mother, both of them, sister, siblings, forget me. I go over open because I know all those grandmother, all those our mother, they always dey papa their grandchildren more than the way we the mother go papa them. Apart from those two people, if na my sister I watch this video, I leave her with my daughter, I must observe. I leave her with my brother, wife, with my I must do, because now my children, now my child, they go there free to me to talk to me. Whether anybody they stay with you, please try look. As our sister talk now, say she neglect, she see the thing but she ignore, she see the red flag. As far as I no dey house, I come back, I see tears, I go ask what trigger these tears. I wan know. Today my daughter wash face, tomorrow she will aqua friend, she go say kwasa, what is this? Thank God say you say you realize now no house help. Your children don even big. Why? Thank God say you say your children don big now. They go dey assist you. Who get 9 years old pikin say they look for house help? Wetin you dey do? If we still dey do business, maybe you dey Africa, you dey do business. You leave your children with people, with any house help. Please, when you come back, get time. If na this thing na set for house, camera, try wash am. Or if you no set am, like my daughter, I always tell her, my daughter, my son, nobody, anybody when tell you say, if you say this to your mother, say your enemy go die, na that person go die, that person no mean well for you. Na me, your mom, I put you for my womb for 9 months. That person not put you for your womb. Na me put you for my womb. I give you this for how many months before I start to dey bath you. I start everything about it. Na me. That person na just few days ago na I know you. Na me dey the good position to know everything about you. Anybody when go tell you say anything when he do you, make you not you know say that person not mean well for you. That person, in fact, now wetin you want do your enemy now they find. Anything open up to me. Then if I not there, maybe I give you to school. Anything when happen for school, tell your mistress before you come home. You tell me. If na your mistress they bully you, as you get home, na me will fit fight for you, me and your father. Nobody else. Anybody say you want look you your private part, shout. If you get home, tell me. Na so, because this word is deep now. As they tell your daughter, na so they tell your son. Because this word now, whether son or daughter, both of them, they need protection. They need our guide now. And house help. I know say me I dey against carrying house help underage. Underage house help I dey against am well. Because many of our Africa they use them. They use underage. If you carry underage house help, where they help you, they take care of children. At least as your children they go school, put them for school too. If they come back, I know I receive many messages. You go get tired. How you go fit do, and then you go look for mature person. Then when you look for mature person, open your eyes. Look as like they say talk. Open your eye. Look well. And more people when they there. Look. If you carry mature person, not just leave your children with that mature person. Say, oh, my children, they okay with. No. Always have time, good time with your children. Observe them. Sometimes you go go outside. Don't say they go outside. If they come back, maybe you go to say that evening. You don't know say you enter now. You hear say your children they cry. As this woman, he narrates everything when that has help do her daughter. The thing, my heart bleed. Carry person pikin go lock am for inside bedroom for their whole house. For their whole house. I believe now less to many people. Some house help they when they're good, they don't meet the good people. When some they when they no matter what you do, some they see now some people, some women be some women be good, some women be wicked. That's what it be. That's they pray make jam the right ones. You say they pray make you jam the right one. People they jam the right one. If you get the good help, hold on well. That is true. If you get good person when they are around you, hold it well. Don't let them escape you. But bad people they outside. It had to see somebody who go take your own child as your own. Maybe this person one would they judge wrong now. Maybe if you even get your own child, then maybe that's what you go still do. And some people they to tap they quick them. Like me to tap they quick me. You know me say maybe you're one of your picky because stay with me. I call tap and you go say no this. No. Me I tap, I use mouth to correct, I still use hand to type. If you there with me, now how I take handle my child, that's why I say take handle your own. Now let's see to many women for out there when they there. When I say house help, now just leave my children. Now they comfortable, now they travel around. Now house help, now children will they pass through for house help on hand. Now let's see to many of folks. And if you be house help, they maltreat other people and children. Not be they put time for your body. Now the job when you seek for. They don't force you for the job. Please. If you don't say you know if you take care of people, children, not just bother. That is why for Europe, before they will accept you as a house, you must go for formation. That is, you must go learn. You must know. They must observe you before they will leave children with you. If they will leave children with you, they will put camera. If na your house for they take care of children, you declare they will put camera. Yes, they put camera. If they discover a lot for camera and they face the law. You know good. Not maltreat person pikin. Please, don't ever maltreat person pikin. If you don't say you are the type when you don't get patient. Children can make you go gaga. Children can make you do something when you go do and finish. Yes. But as a mother, that is why for mostly this France, when they say Europe, mostly this France, If you not get pikin, it dey hard for they take you. And if you not get, if you be person wey not get, you must go the school. You must, pass the formation, pass everything before they will accept you. Because they know say children can make you go one kind. It takes somebody who get, mother's heart. Yes. If you don't want a film, just now, you know how many times my enemy dey frustrated. You go see me that call you do like this. For the wago. Now video says why they quiet now because of okay. One don't come now. One don't wave me. Tell her say what did they wave me for? Now ice cream they give her may I for film this video. Children can make you do anything when, but my sister, Dasylvia, it's good as to share, say you want use an open people eye. You understand? We're not here for your house help. Oh. For me, I'm against it. We don't know that your house help. You not bring her come for social media. What of that your house help now? As you even say a family member, she can't see and she can't come outside and send her own. I think now start to drag on herself. No, not call for me. Oh, as you say, you want use an open many people eye. It good though. But any of now wanna carry house girl wanna not show us for social media. As far as the house girl, he not talk her story. That's why they drag the editorial reach like that, because editorial always talk about the house girl. May I take her back? May I do this one back? When the house girl venture come out to call, it turn against the same because they try to turn against her. But to me, right for time, I know say for that girl, now lie, no matter how they pet am, because for my present, I for come out. We should be very careful for wetin we bring out. Or if you know say you don't be social media presenter and not be say you see they grow like us, you don't get almost 50,000, be 50 something thousand subscriber. Imagine person just come out tomorrow and go say in your house help. You know how many subscriber you go get? Automatic between 48 hours you go monetize the channel. For me, I for advise you say for not bring am come outside. If you want to advise people, you talk to the play. As you carry this your house girl come outside now. If that girl consider your video, you go say no. This thing when you talk na lie, I would need to say my own. No beside my truth. Why you go depend me like that? Why people call they use that item they look me? Dragging never starts. Business never come out for reactor. That not come for me. Business will come outside. Dyna Ekwueme na your real friend. Later I'll give her more. Dasylvia, why call it Dyna Ekwueme your friend? Dasylvia, Dyna not be your friend. Hey, my people. Now I go shop for Dasylvia. Now waiting Dasylvia break come outside. Yes, I just use tell people if you dey Europe, please try or they observe your children. Get one-on-one communication with your children, whether by bathing, by eating, by play. Ask them what they do today for school. Ask them what happen today. Anything when you know say you not dey where your children dey. Once you come back, always ask them. Always let them know say you are the best position for you to know everything about them. You put them for your womb. That's why you say my daughter, you say, mommy, I stay inside your stomach. I say yes, so yes, so I carry you. As far as me carry you, now me dey the gym, you go take position to know everything. You see? My people and this one get to say I miss my life.
Go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I take win by default and without any doubt, I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the